Lesson 8. Travel and Money. Shifting from one place to another. Sometimes, people move from one place to another due to transfer of job, getting a new job or some other reasons. It gives people some good as well as some bad experiences. Let's know about a family which has shifted in Panaji from Jodhpur. I am Amit and this is my sister Rani. I am in class 4 and my sister is in class 2. My father is an Air Force officer and my mother is a housewife. My father gets transferred every 2 or 3 years. We moved from Jodhpur in Rajasthan to the city of Panaji in Goa about 4 months ago. These places are very different from each other. But we adjusted very easily because we are used to moving around. We have traveled by road, sea and air. At every new place, we learn to adjust with new people, different climates and homes. We always live in the cantonment, which has houses for families of Air Force personnel. I have also learnt a bit of Odia, Bengali and Punjabi, because we have stayed in places where these languages are spoken. Can you guess which states I have visited? I enjoy traveling by train. What is your favorite mode of transport? Bus, train, ship or aeroplane? Jodhpur is a very beautiful city. It is completely surrounded by the desert. It becomes very hot in summers. Sometimes, there are desert storms. The sky becomes red and there is sand everywhere. There is hardly any rainfall. Jodhpur has many strong forts and palaces. The people are tall and very hardworking. They are known for their bravery. There are many historical places worth visiting in Jodhpur. In Panaji, we are living near the beach. I love the sea and the beaches. But my sister is a little afraid of the water. The weather is hot and humid though the evening brings cool sea breeze. The people of Goa are very friendly. People here eat a lot of seafood. Goa is famous for churches. Many tourists visit Goa. There are beautiful hotels in Goa. Some of the favorite dishes of the local people are chicken zaksuti, sorpotel and bebinka. Every year, an exciting festival or carnival is organized with music, dance and other events. Traveling and tickets. Sometimes, one has to move to another city or town. We must make the best out of such situations. We have so much to learn from other people. We should be positive and think of the new places we will see and the new friends we can make in those places. Do you know anyone who has traveled very far from your town or city? Suppose you are going on a bus journey. What is the first thing you do after sitting down in the bus? Obviously, you buy a ticket. The conductor sells tickets in the bus. In a train, the train ticket examiner, TTE, checks your tickets. Air travel is more expensive than bus or train travel. Paying for various purposes. We need to buy tickets for our travel. To buy our tickets, we have to pay money. We need to buy a ticket for the fuel used by the bus, train or aeroplane we use for traveling. The services they provide while traveling. We use currency notes and coins to pay. Money made of paper are called currency notes. Money made of metal are called coins. Every country has its own currency. The Indian currency is known as the rupee. Its symbol is. The Reserve Bank of India has the sole authority to issue currency notes in India. It changes the design of the currency notes from time to time. History of money. In olden days, shells were used as money. paper money was first printed in China. The history behind the making of currencies, the tinkling coins and crisp notes is interesting. Trade existed long before the invention of currency. The main form of payment was the barter system. In the barter system, currency was not used, only goods were exchanged. A farmer who cultivated rice would exchange it for some clothes or utensils he needed. This kind of exchange was possible only between two needy persons. So, man wanted to find an alternative to the barter system. The idea of exchanging goods for a given value led man to produce coins. When man realized that it was not convenient to carry coins and move around, paper money was invented. They were called currencies. Every country has its own currency. The currency of USA is called US dollar, and the currency of France is euro. Japanese currency is called yen, while the currency of Singapore is called Singapore dollar. Contents of Indian currency note. A currency note has two faces. On one face, the value of the currency is written both in figures and words in the center of the currency. Below the value is the signature of the Governor of the Reserve Bank of India. A picture of Mahatma Gandhi is on the right-hand side of the currency note. We have the picture of our national emblem at the bottom, on the left-hand side. Reserve Bank of India gives a particular code number to every currency note. No two notes can have the same code number. This code number is printed at the top right-hand corner and bottom left-hand corner of a currency note. Our national emblem consists of 4 lions, but we can see only 3 lions. They are on a pedestal. These lions represent power, courage and confidence. This pedestal rests on a circular base. A wheel appears in the center of the base with a bull on the right and a horse on the left. Below the national emblem, the motto, Satyamev Jayate, is inscribed. It means, truth alone triumphs. Our national emblem has been taken from the Ashoka's pillar at Sarnath. On the other face, each currency note has a picture of national importance. On the left-hand side, the value of the currency is written in words in 15 regional languages of India. Coins. The government of India has the sole right to mint coins. The coins in the denomination of 50 paise, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees are minted. A coin also has two faces. On one face of the coin, the value is written, both in figures and in words. This is given in the center. Look at the two faces of coins used in India. 50 paise coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin. Ask your grandparents which coins they used when they were children. They used different coins of lower denominations but could buy more. Do you know why? Things were cheaper in their times. These coins are no longer in use. Here are some of them. 1 paisa, 2 paise, 3 paise, 5 paise, 10 paise, 20 paise, 25 paise. Pound, dollar, euro, riyal, dirham, rupee,